How to log in to Foxit PDF Editor account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log in to your Foxit PDF Editor account. To do so, first of all, you will need to ensure that you have already created an account on Foxit PDF Editor. Once you have done that, open your application on your mobile device, and once you open the application, you will see this interface on your screen. Here now, you will need to tap on the profile-like icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then in this space, simply tap on this login button. Once you tap on it, now you will be presented with the login interface. Wait for a few seconds in order to load this page, and once it loads, you will be able to see the sign-in interface now. Now you will need to use your login credentials in order to log in to your account. In the first text box here, enter the email address associated to your account. Once after entering the email address, now simply enter your password. Tap on the password field and there type in your password. Make sure to enter it correctly. You may also tap on this I button at the right side of it in order to check and reveal whether you have entered it correctly or not. Also, if you want your login credentials to be remembered for future logins, then you may select this checkbox that says Remember Me. And in case if you don't remember your password, you may also tap on this Forgot Password link at the right side, and then you will need to follow the instructions in order to retrieve or reset your password. Now after adding all the credentials correctly, simply tap on the sign in button right here. Now wait for a few seconds, and then you will see you have successfully logged into your Foxit PDF Editor account. Now you will be able to access your account and use the application. So this is how you can sign in or log in to your Foxit PDF Editor account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.